Hi everyone, welcome you all. Today we are going to see what are logical operator. Before that we have seen what are arithmetic operators, what are bitwise operator, and then we have seen assignment operator, relational operators, and now today we are going to see very important topic that is called logical operator. So let's get started. So logical operators are the symbols or word used to connect two or more expression such that value of the compound expression produced depends only on that of the original expression and on the meaning of the operator. Common logical operators are, you can see, and, or, and not. Logical operators are often used to help create a test expression that controls program flow. This type of expression is also known as Boolean expression because they create a Boolean answer or value when evaluated. For example, if we have this x is less than 5 and x less than 10, so this will result into true or false depending upon the value of x. Okay, for example, if the value of x is 1, then this one is true and this one is also true. Okay, and if I talk about this AND operator, it will return true if both statements are true. So in this case also we will be getting true. And OR evaluates to true if either one of the expression left hand side or right hand side of the logical operator returns true. Okay, for example, if this is true and this is false, then also it gives you true. Okay, and if both the left hand side and right hand side are false, then only it gives you false, right? And the not is just opposite. For example, if this complete expression evaluates to true, then not will give you false, otherwise true. Let us better understand with the help of a truth table. Now you can see on my screen truth table. Let us assume that x is the left hand side and y is right hand side. So you can imagine this is the expression which evaluates to true or false called x. Okay, so if both the values are false, then our logical AND returns false. Okay, and if false, if either one of this is false, then also it gives you false. So you can see these two expression, here x is false and here y is false, and we are getting false here. Okay, and then if both the left hand side and right hand side gives you true, then only it will give you true, or that it will return true. Okay, now let us talk about the logical OR. Logical OR, you can see we are getting true for all these because they have either one or both true. Okay, and it returns false only when both the left hand side and right hand side are false. Now let us talk about not. Okay, in this expression you can see we have only one operator since it is a unary operator, and false will result into true and true will result into false if we evaluate with the not. Okay, now let us understand with the help of a more practical or real life example. Okay, so every day as I come home from school on Monday through Thursday, I would ask my mother, may I go outside and play? Okay, so here you can see in between, may I go outside and play. When you want to go outside and play, so both should be true, means you cannot play inside the room or you cannot play. And then she would answer, if your room is clean and your homework is done, then you may go outside and play. Okay, I learned to hate the word and I could manage to go one of the tasks done and have some time to play before dinner, but both of them, well, I hate that, right? So you can see I have to both the task to go outside and play. I have to do my homework and as well as I have to clean my room. So both the condition are true. Then we are going to use a AND. If you want your computer to perform a certain task, depending upon when both the statements are true, then only you have to use and. Okay, now let us have another approach. Okay, on Friday my mother took a more relaxed viewpoint, and when asked if I could go outside and play, she responded, if your room is clean or your homework is done, then you may go outside and play. See here, I have to either do my homework or I have to clean my room. In any of these situation, if any of these things are done, then I can go out and play. Okay, this is more relaxed way, right? And I love or this time. Let us think of a situation where we are using a not. Now I think that you are studying, but if you talk or if I see you are, not all or everybody is studying, right? So this is a situation of not, means you can say that all are studying, well, it's not, right? So it is just a reverse of the expression, true to false and false to true. Now let us understand by using Python code. So let us have a variable x having the value, let's say true. Remember, t is capital here, and y is equals to, let's say, false. And now I'm going to evaluate it x and y. Guess both the left hand side and right hand side must be true. So what I will get false this time. Okay, let us execute this piece of a code and see. Okay, now you can see I have got false, but if I change it to true, let's say like this, and execute my code, now you will find it's true because my both left hand side and right hand side are true. Okay, now consider a situation when I say it's a Monday and a holiday. Okay, now in both the situation, if it is Monday and it is a holiday, it should return true. Okay, so what I can do, if x is equals to Monday and y is equals to let's say holiday, then it should give me true. Okay, so let us run this program and see the code. Okay, now you can see it's true. Now we can take input instead, right? We can have an input and let's say enter a day, and now let's input today is working day or holiday. Okay, so depending upon this condition, if there is a Monday and it's a holiday, then I should be getting a true. Okay, see how I have framed this program. So I will get true. Now here I should respond like this, today is lovely day. Okay, so my computer will respond true or false if it is Monday and holiday together. If it is Monday and it is a working day, then it should give me false. Okay, now let us try and execute this program. Enter a day, let's do it. It's, let's say, Monday and today is holiday. Okay, let's enter here and you can see today is lovely day, it's true. Okay, now let us try one more time, and this time I will be entering Monday and it's not a working day, or it's a working day. Okay, so today is lovely day. Now be careful when we are talking about a equals to. If m is capital you have written here, then you have to enter m capital. Otherwise what you can do, you can change all the case. Let's say I'm going to use this and I'm going to use m. Now here what I have did, I have converted this string into a lowercase string. so that it matches every time. It doesn't make any difference whether I enter a capital M or small m. And here also I'm going to do that also. Lower, actually it's a library function which converts your string into lowercase. Right, now we can have more. Let's print this one and print x dot lower here so that you can understand. Okay, so let us run this program and see. Entire day, I'm printing monday, Monday, and it's a holiday. Now you can see H and O are capital and M is also capital. Let us enter and see. Now you can see Monday is all in small case because I have converted it into a lowercase by using a function. Okay, and today is lovely day. That's true because it ignores the case since I have converted into a lowercase in both the cases, y and x. Okay, so hope you got why and when we should use and. Now let us use a or. Okay, I'm going to use a or, and I want today is a lovely day, either it is a Sunday or a holiday. Okay, sorry, it should be a lower. Here you say Sunday. Okay, so if a user enters Sunday and if it is a holiday, then I should be loving that day. Okay, so let's run this program and get rid of this line because it's useless this time. Now let us execute enter a day. Let's say Monday. Okay, it can be any day, Friday, and let's enter a working day. So here in this situation, my both the left hand side and right hand side are false, so I should be getting false. Okay, let us run one more time, and this time today is Sunday and it's a working day, let's say. Now here if I enter, you can see this condition is true and this one is false. Still I am getting true. Okay, right? So if it is a Sunday and working day, then also I love it. And if I try to have one more example, let's have a Sunday and it's a holiday. Here both the conditions are true, and so I'm getting true. So or evaluates to true if both the conditions or either one of the condition is true. Okay, so you will be using a or if you want that any of the condition is true and your expression is evaluated true. Okay, we are going to discuss these operators and we will be using heavily these operators later in our programming sessions. Right, if I want just reverse of this equation, I have to put this inside the not. Okay, like not, and let's have this. Now I'm going to input a same input, Sunday and holiday. I should be getting a false. Okay, let's run this program and check it. So here is Sunday and it's a working day, or let's say holiday. Both the conditions are true, so this complete equation will evaluate it true, but since I have used not, and then I should be getting false. Okay, now see, today is lovely day, false. This is all because of this not. Okay, so you have seen this is the expression which evaluates first. Okay, and then it returns true, and total, if you evaluate complete expression, it will give you false. So we have learned what are logical operators, and in logical operators we have learned and, or, and not, and hope you have understood. Let us wind up this topic here only so that my video length is not more than 15 minutes. And tomorrow we are going to discuss more about these operators and values, how Python treats other values, okay, and uses and or operator. Okay, so goodbye for today, bye bye, and have a nice day.